Standard 10 PT subject. Lesson number 6. Approved therapeutic methods. मान्य चिकित्सा पद्धतियों. In olden age, the human being used to live in jungles. For their food, they used to hunt animals. We know these facts. But in those days, how they were suffering from the diseases and how the treatment was given is not known to us. We do not have any specific information about this, but we know that before thousands of years, Ayurvedic treatment was given. Because of this treatment, Ayurvedic is considered as a fifth Ved. But we know that with the development of science, other treatments and therapeutic methods have been found by the respective research. Now here we shall get information regarding the approved therapeutic methods in which the specialization degrees are awarded. They are as follows: Ayurveda, Yogachar, Homeopathy, Naturopathy, Unani treatment, Allopathy. First we will see Ayurvedic. Ayurvedic, about 5000 years ago, our saints and sages had found our Ayurvedic therapeutic method. According to Ayurvedic, when there is imbalance between Vat, Pitta and Kapha in our body, that is, when there is percentage is increase or decrease, any disease develops. In Ayurveda, these three are considered as faults. When these three faults becomes defective, the disease develops. Defective gas develops about 80 diseases. Defective acidity develops about 60 diseases. And defective cough develops about 40 diseases. To destroy the defect of these diseases, the therapeutic treatment is there in Ayurveda. Ayurveda therapeutic methods are proved unfailing positively effective for old cold, old fever, psoriasis and skin diseases. The reason for having the Ayurvedic method, the self-sufficient one, are as follows. It is a natural therapeutic method, removes the disease from its roots and does not allow to develop again. It is a complete innocent therapeutic method without any side effect. It observes the disease and the diseased person completely. Types of therapy. चिकित्सा के प्रकार. There are two types of Ayurvedic therapy, Shodhan and Sahman. Shodhan consists upon Panchkarma in which Vaman, Virechan, Basti, Nasya and Raktamokshan are included. In Shaman, Snehan, Svedan are main pre-action. By means of Snehan and Svedan, the defect are diverted towards the Kosta. From Kosta, they are thrown out by means of Vaman and Virechan. Pareji, control in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, along with the medicine, what should be taken according to the acceptation of the body, what should not be taken, what should be done, and what should not be done, etc. Morally sound conduct and proper food and merriment have been thought of in the best way. Most of the diseases get rid of only because of observing and adopting the beneficial and avoiding injurious to the health food habits. Second step is Yogpachar. The steps of Yogpachar are as follows. Brahmacharya, asana and mudra, pranayam, upvas means fasting, Sadvichar, morally good thoughts, Sadachar, morally good conduct, Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is the base of Yogpachar. Enjoying sexuality in the disease condition brings physical and mentally weakness. Hence, an individual who observes celibacy, taking the shelter of Yogachar only, can get rid of their disease. From the observation of brahmacharya, proper food and merriment, company, and regarding an also balanced way of life are very necessary. Asana and mudra. Asana and mudra are very useful for the deceased. Yogi and nirogi, healthy person. By means of asana, the deceased organ can be made healthy and also the mind can be kept in control. While doing asana and mudra, the different centers in our mind becomes actively functioning and hence the naturally health is obtained. Internally secreting glands become active because of which the liveliness is created in the body and the mind becomes cheerful. Pranayam. The base of yoga is pranayam. Because of pranayam, the lungs provide more oxygen and the blood becomes pure speedily. Because of pranayam, the body gets animated. The unsteadiness of mind and the dullness of the body goes off. Because of the purification of blood, the number of white corpuscle increases which destroy the germs in the body.